guys. I think 20% on average per month is a beautiful thing. Man, with 20% profit a month, you can print a lot of money. And I'm sure you all know that. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD. It's a regulated broker where you can trade up to a 500 to 1 leverage, which is perfect for scalping and day trading. And they have ultra low commissions, ultra low fees of trading. And I'm sure you're gonna enjoy them. So if you're looking for a broker, guys, make sure to check them out. I will put the link down below in the description. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the trades that we took this week. This week started a little rough yesterday, especially. I was on the wrong side. I took 3 entries. They didn't work out. The market was just going down, going down, going down. I tried to get a reversal, but yeah, on a strong trending day like that, if you're on the wrong side, man, I got caught up on the wrong side, lost a lot of money. But I made it all back today. I took another loss today. So I took 4 losses in a row. And then my last trade was a winner, and this one wiped out all the losses. Guys, what I want to tell you is it's very important that you stay confident with your strategy. There will be losing times where your strategy doesn't work out that good, and maybe you take 3 losses in a row, 4 losses in a row. But you still need to pull the trigger if you see that your setup is there, right? Don't get scared. You know, you really need to be confident in your strategy and execute if you get an entry. You should not be bothered by a few losing trades for real. Like, just keep on doing what you do, trust in your strategy. I mean, if you put the work in it and if you have back-tested your strategy, you believe in your strategy, then don't try to jump from strategy to strategy just because you took 3 or 4 losses in a row. Just keep on doing what you do, man. At the end of the day, it will pay off. So, yeah, I'm still up like 41% until the beginning of the year. So, still more than 20% a month, still. But this week was just going back and forth, nothing to get crazy about. But we're still gonna talk about the trades of this week because I want to share them with you and my thought process behind it. So let's talk about the trades that I took, especially. Let's start with yesterday, fellas. So we had this significant low in here, as you can see, and we had another significant low in here, right? Those were... I expected the market to take these stops out and then make a little reversal, and I was trying to write this thing back. Not a home run, but at least a little pullback, you know, because normally after taking out a significant low, there is some kind of pullback move. So let me go to the 1 minute time frame and let me show you what I was seeing yesterday. My first entry decision. This one actually was running pretty good. I could have moved my stop to break even and just let it ride, or maybe even close 50%, let the rest ride, and then get stopped out at break even. But I was not moving the stop at all. I was not happy, and with like 1-to-1 risk reward was not enough for me. I was a little greedy. But as you can see, we took out this 2 significant lows in here, right? And then the New York session started, and we slashed a little lower. Let me mark up this low in here as well. So we were slashing down, right? And then the market reacted pretty aggressive with a beautiful blue candle, bullish candle. And I just jumped in at around 9:30. I expected these highs to get taken out. Ultimate target was this one over here. This is where I wanted to take profits. I was pretty sure that we're gonna slash through it, but as you can see, the market had other plans for us that day. It didn't want end up in a rotational environment, and it started trending. And so I took my first loss, and then I decided like, okay, maybe this is just another stop run, so let me give it another try. Let's put the stop a little bit out of traffic at around, I think, what was it? I think I moved it a little bit more later on, but my initial loss was somewhere at 12,112. This was where my stop was, and I was trying to aim to ride this thing to the upside to 12,280, somewhere in this area. And I wanted to take some profit at around 12,250 area. But as you can see, the market was, it was kind of reacting. I was like, okay, nice, now it's taking off, but it was not taking off. It was just continuing to drop, so I was getting caught up on that one. I was loading it up a little bit on that one as well. On the pullback, I thought like maybe we can get another better entry, but this thing was just going down, guys, and I was pretty much trying to catch the bottom of the bottom of that move of the market, and it was just hitting my stop loss. So at the end, I took another third trade. Was not really in my session. I just wanted to try to get a pullback to get my money back, but ended up losing a third trade, and I was not so happy with that day. Whenever I have like a trending day and I'm on the wrong side, it really hurts. It's like holding your hand under a falling knife, right? It's not so good. But anyways, risk management is key, guys. Risk management, don't get overexcited, don't over-risk on bad trades. Just make sure to have your risk management straight so it doesn't hurt too much. And then the next winner is around the corner, and you're gonna make it back easy as that. So let's talk about today. What was happening today? Well, today, before the session started, we built it up like a nice double bottom in here, where a lot of stops are probably sitting. This is what I was thinking. The market made like a pretty nice move before the session started to take out this liquidity with this double top in here. We took it out. That means we tricked a lot of buyers into the market, and we stopped out some sellers, right? So I expected the market to get down, but the thing was, I was not waiting for the session to start. I was getting in a little bit earlier because I thought like maybe when the session starts, they're gonna get out the buy stops below this one over here first. So I expected the market at 9:30 to just drop down and then boom, shoot up. But it was going for another liquidity grab, right? It was just going for another liquidity grab in here above this high over here for all the early sellers, where I was involved as well. And I got stopped out so close, man. If I would just put the stop above like 12,152 or something like that, I wouldn't got stopped out. But I wouldn't had like this beautiful risk reward ratio, and couldn't put more than my initial position size on the table, because I was trading with like double the size. And this one worked out pretty awesome, guys, to be honest. On this one, took all the losses back from the previous 4 trades, and it was running beautiful. It was running beautiful. This trade was like, I think I closed everything below this lows at around 12,025, something like that. I closed this one with a risk reward ratio of 3.5 to 1, and got all my losses back. Maybe I lost like 5 grand or something like that compared to the balance that I had before I started this trading week. But overall, this week pretty much break even. Nothing to get crazy about. Nothing that I'm proud of, but still alright, guys. I think 20% on average per month is a beautiful thing. Man, with 20% profit a month, you can print a lot of money. And I'm sure you all know that. Yeah. So let's see what we got for the upcoming week, man. Let's see what we got for this week. Maybe I'm going to find another beautiful trade which gonna put me in profit for this week. This would be awesome. I'm gonna try it and I will let you know for sure. Man, today was just a beautiful rotational environment. I mean, look at this beautiful swings over here after taking out liquidity. Man, we could have bought this thing somewhere in here in this area. Would have been a beautiful trade. Then we could have sold this thing again in here, write it back. Phew. Yeah, but the thing was, I was not in front of my charts I took this trade when I was riding around with a friend. We were at a car dealership checking some cars. But yeah, I was taking this trade. It was beautiful. I closed my phone, didn't watch anything else, and yeah, so I enjoyed my day, had my money back, was beautiful. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you all had a wonderful day. I hope you all had a profitable week so far. I hope your trading week was better than mine. And yeah, let's see what we got for the upcoming week. Thank you for watching, guys. Wish you a lovely rest of the week, profitable trading week. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.
Play me